Hello friends, previous video I have shown the GL modules what are menu items available. In this video I am going to show you whatever things available under the human resources, in which workers, employees. In this menu item you will see the list of all employees. You can create a new employees. This is the contractors list, and then workers, past worker, pending workers, employee with the expiring provision period, interactive worker user request. Then under the action you will see the all worker actions under you, pending worker action, completed worker action, assigned worker action. Then this is the leave section. Here you can fill the leave type and employee leaves. Then injury or illness, whatever things needed for that, injury and illness incident, injury and illness setup, incident treatment report, incident cost report, incident summary report, OSHA 300 log preparation report. Then this is the loan item section, in which loan equipment, loan item, loan types. These are the inquiries and reports, number of workers report, worker distribute certificate expiration, birthday report, all those things are report. Then under positions you can make the entries for positions, open position, inactive position, position hierarchy types, position types, position by department report. Then under these are the actions, positions actions. Then these are the jobs, job template, type, function, task, responsibility and information. And under departments, these are the departments, hierarchy report and people by department report. Then under benefit, eligibility, enrollment, inquiries and report. Then compensation section. In this, these are the process available. Then fixed compensation. Under the fixed compensation, labels, reference point setup, pay rate, conversion, these are available. One by one you can use and check whatever the things, how it works. Then variable compensation type, vesting rules, pay for performance. Then eligibility rules and compensation region and currency exchange rate, survey of companies, total compensation statement and absence entries, absence code, absence group and recruitment projects. You can enter the recruitment projects, media type and applications and applicant interview, applicants, status report, resume, application bookmark, email template. Then skill analysis and compensation, skill analysis and reports. Let me expand all, then you can see all the menu whatever available under this. Under setup, human resource parameter, shared parameter, workflow, action type, accommodation type, ethnic origin, issuing agencies, language code, labor unions, region code, screen type, terms of employment, title, union agreement, veteran status, worker task. These are the menus available under the human resource. Thank you very much for watching this video, friends. Next video will come soon with the inventory management module. Thank you.